Hey guys, it's JayJay Sweets and welcome back to my channel. So if you haven't seen part 1 of this video is when I dyed the hair to make it this color. If you want to watch that, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. To start with, I'm going to be using this airbrush leg makeup that I found in Boots to change the color of the lace really quickly. So in this section, I'm going to be showing you how I pluck my lace front. To start with, I'm just going to pluck the actual hairline itself to get rid of that sharp hairline that these lace fronts usually come in. So the way I usually part my lace fronts, I do the parts and pluck method. I don't know, I just made that up. I don't know if it's actually a real method. So I don't know if it's actually a real method, but I do the part and pluck method. So you start off with parting a little bit at the front and just pluck that as much as possible without getting rid of too much hair. So this is what we're going to be using as the baby hairs. Every time I make a part, I pluck a little bit less hair. I usually part about 4 times in a different section of the hair and pluck. It will look like a natural hairline where it goes in a gradient. I don't even know how to explain this properly, but watch the video, hopefully it makes sense to you. Yeah. So it's best to section the lace front into 3 different sections so you don't get confused where you are plucking your hair. Now because I have a widow's peak hairline, kind of like what's that girl name? Kim Kardashian, that's it. So I'm parting the hair at the top in a V shape, and when it gets to like the corners, I pluck a little bit more in the corners. But this is only because I have a widow's peak hairline. So if you're watching this as a tutorial, even though I've been saying many times, this is not a tutorial, this is me just showing you how I make my wigs, but that's neither here nor there. If you're trying to do it like me, probably if you don't have the same hairline as me, miss the whole parting it in a V shape type thing, okay? Don't be fooled by this little video right here. Doing good plucking on a frontal takes a very long time. So don't rush, take your time and be careful not to over pluck. And now with the last section of the frontal, basically just going in and doing the same thing I did on the left side, on the right side. I mean, that goes without saying, but I kind of just wanted to talk over this bit because y'all been hearing this cute little track for a long time now. I'm gonna shine. And now for the actual wig making. Yes. So for this bit, you are going to need a spandex cap, some wig combs for the back, some elastic, sewing needle and thread, preferably for the weave. Don't be using no skinny one now, because then your wig's gonna fall apart in like 2 seconds. What is this called? A mannequin head. Yeah, that's it. A mannequin head. Whoop. So before you guys start cussing me, yes, I do my wigs. I do my wigs in between my legs, so it kind of reminds me of when I'm the little baby's hairs, or even these big ass women heads. I do the big ass women heads in between my legs because I'm not a hairdresser, so I ain't standing up for you. I say what I say. So we're going to start off by sewing the frontal onto the spandex cap. On the back of the frontal, there's a little hard body bit at the back, so that's the only bit that I'm going to be sewing onto the spandex cap. It's me again, tell a friend to tell a friend. When I'm done sewing the wig, I just cut off the extra flappy bit of the spandex cap in the middle, and then you sew on your elastic. I saw my lipstick. Who is a lipstick? I saw my elastic to the lace front, because the lace front is usually way too big for my head anyway. So when I saw the elastic to the lace front, then I cut the lace to resize it to the actual shape of my head. And then I just sew on the extra flappy lace bits to the spandex cap. Finally, I sew on these 3 wig combs. I'm not sure what they're called, but I call them wig combs. So I sew one directly in the middle at the back, and then I sew 2 on either side. This is to make sure that the wig stays extra shut. No, why am I fighting English today? Extra secure on my heads with the additional secureness of the wig band. And this is what the finished wig looks like. So to glue down my lace front, I just used the regular bold hold glue, and to slick it down, I'm using Gorilla Snot gel. Don't watch the fact that I'm chewing food in this bit. I actually forgot that the camera was running when I was doing this video, and I was just watching anime, so that's why you see me looking like I'm about to cry. But a bitch hard body, so man don't need to cry here in these streets, you get me? So here I'm just creating more baby hairs with my, I guess it's an eyebrow, is this an eyebrow shaper? And I love me off some baby hairs, so you get the baby hairs on the left, baby hairs on the right, baby hairs in the middle, baby. This is the finished wig. About the hair, I do like what I've done with the hair. I can't lie, even until now the hair is still shedding. I'm surprised that I was able to like get it to look like this, even though it was just blonde hair, because I'd never done it with all blonde hair before. So I'm very happy with how it turned out. I hope you guys like the video. Like I said before, I guess you could see it as a tutorial, but I'll just showing you how I make my own wig. My methods may not be the same as what everyone else uses, but it works for me, you know what I'm saying? I hope you found some tricks in there that could help you. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you like the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of me. Hit that notification bell if you want to be part of the notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.